Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in our English class. As you know, the chapter Indigo it's going on. We have discussed a lot in summary in question answers that I sent to you and the textbook that you already have. Now, would like to introduce you some questions. So, though you have to write just only one answer, one standard answer, though you have to take more number of words, but it would cover all these questions that I have written here. One question for all these answer, but technically and very smartly, you have to change a bit of the things in between. So, though overall answer, the some lines, those lines, they are common in all these questions. Common lines, so you will write those lines. I am going to tell you that which lines are common, so you can take only those lines that I am going to deliver, and you can add any other another lines associated with those lines, and according to the particular question you have to put the words that are helpful to answer it completely. So let's begin the question. Question begins from here. Civil disobedience had triumphed. Triumph means get victory. Civil disobedience that was done by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi did not obey the order. So that's called disobey. And that disobey, that won first time in modern India. Discuss it. And if you get, so here I would like to write here the word or. Again, next question. How was Champaran episode fruitful for Indian freedom movement? Because if we get over the word here first time in modern India, so what happened during first time? First time disobey was done, and that was done by Mahatma Gandhi, and large gathering in protest of Britishers. So that was the dare, that was to be fearless. So here the same, to continue that ideas here, that Champaran episode, whatever happened there in Champaran, since the tragedy with the sharecroppers, it began, the advent of Mahatma Gandhi, and many other things that happened. So the whole episode that happened there, so how it led to Indian freedom movement. Now next question, I'm going to put a cross mark. How did Champaran episode, this is in or, these are in options. How did Champaran episode change the plight of the peasants? Plight means the misery, miserable condition of the peasants. So how? So what is going on everywhere? Champaran episode is going on. Disobedience that happened during Champaran episode, and during that particular Champaran episode, the plight of peasant, so that was changed positively, that was changed in the improvement, changed in the prosperity. Next question. Why do you think Gandhi considered Champaran episode to be turning point in his life? So that's a great question. Gandhi considered that this episode, unless this happened, until this happened, so had we not known Gandhiji as we right now know, so if that thing happened, so why Gandhi considered that it was a turning point? Because things were going on as Gandhiji wanted to take the things according to his direction. But here, what happened that he changed his mindset, changed thought process, and he also motivated other peoples to follow him, and then that led to Indian freedom movement, that led to self-reliance, that led to be fearless from the Britishers. So all these things happened. Next, describe the exploitation. Describe the exploitation, maltreated or other things of the indigo sharecroppers by English landlord. How did Gandhiji help them? Means the exploitation that was being done to the peasants by British landlord. So how Gandhiji was helpful? So these I have written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, and of all these 5 questions, so answer may vary from particular question to question, but half of the question, if the question comes in the examination of 6 marks, though pattern it has been changed, so very soon you will be introduced that what's pattern there. So currently as the things going on, so it will be of 5 marks, but if we take the tradition method, so it's of 6 marks, because we are confused, not confused, but we cannot declare. So if this question may appear in the examination of 5 marks or 6 marks, so half of the answer will be the same, and not half, 60 to 70% answer that will be the same, the common answer that you have to write, and rest of the sentences you need to add according to the particular question. So let me tell you that what's those particular sentences are there, those will be helpful for all these questions. Common sentences. So Gandhiji considered Champaran episode turning point in his life, and turning point for sharecroppers, turning point for India freedom, and the time when Gandhiji arrived there, so though he was taken by Rajkumar Shukla, so you can add these sentences, Rajkumar Shukla incidents or other things to populate the answer if you need. Otherwise, you have sentences, then no need to populate unnecessarily. And when Gandhi arrived, and first time common and mass movement in India that took place for the very first time. That time people raised their voice against the Britishers, and Gandhiji visited Champaran in order to fight against the exploitation of the British landlords over the innocent and poor peasants. So those indigo sharecroppers, those peasants, those were maltreated. And Gandhiji established himself a ray of hope in bringing prosperity and development for the poor. The English landlords in Champaran compelled all the landlords, land mafia you may say, so they compelled all the sharecroppers, these poor peasants, to plant 15% of indigo on their total hand holding, and the entire harvest that was to be surrendered as a rent. So the peasants, they were tortured. So again, what happened you already know. So I have also given you the answers. So after after that, when Germany that was not in need of in indigo, because Germany had developed synthetic indigo, so that was discontinued. The transportation of indigo from India to Germany, that was discontinued, but they try to cheat the poor peasants. Who are they? The landlords. So to they made an excuse that to release your land, 15% of your land, it was uh, being released, but before the release you have to give the compensation, the money that was demanded, and for this some documents and formalities and agreements, so it was taken from the peasants. So when at that point when Gandhiji came to help, because this was the entire episode, and on that ground, so they were tortured. So when Gandhiji came to help, so he was ordered to leave uh, the court, but he disobeyed. He was ordered that you have to leave the area where he has come, because he does not belong, Gandhiji does not belong to that particular area, to Champaran, Muzaffarpur, Tirhut or others. So that's why he was ordered to leave the place. But he disobeyed. So as he disobeyed, so the order, and as a result he was summoned to the court. And when he was summoned to the court, other peasants, other people, common person, so they had got courage. So they know how to uh, take the stand by Gandhiji. Thousands of people, when they surrounded the court, the officials were helpless, the government baffled. So it was their beginning from the fear of the Britishers. When the government baffled the officials, they felt helpless. So that time the poor peasants, they started realizing that we are powerful people, we are not dumb driven people, and we have got fearless position. And Gandhiji was to be released. He had to be released, because the total government machinery that was shocked to see the large gathering, the people, so they were unanimously present there, and all were in favor, and they announced that if Gandhiji is put in jail, so all the people, they are ready to go to jail. The case against Gandhiji was dropped, and that time civil disobedience had triumphed first time in British India. In this way, the episode changed the plight of the peasants. When the incident happened of Gandhiji taken to court, Gandhiji was summoned to court, and the case that was filed against him. So all, when up to that point, from that point, so you can write that it was a turning point in Gandhiji life, it was a turning point in the life of sharecroppers. So with this disobedience, the plight of the poor people changed from plight to pleasure. And you can also relate with it that this Champaran episode that was fruitful for Indian freedom movement, because only these points that I have discussed with you right now, so you can add all these points, and you, if you think that uh, many other points they are helpful, so you can relate, but related to these points, so these point can be added in all these 5 questions.